life that is waiting to be lit by her.
बढ़िया वीडियो हेलो फोटो
I have known her as a very committed, dedicated, sincere student of the art form, and when it came to the launch in the city of Mumbai, with the support of the Executive Secretary at Athens, Dr. Professor Alkis Raktis, please give him also a very big hand. Our President and also Mr. Antonio, who is here, the Executive Secretary of the International Dance Council from Paris, ladies and gentlemen, and all the delegates present here. May I request Mr. Raktis to be here, please? And Professor, please join us here. A big hand, ladies and gentlemen. I have brought Athens and Paris here for you, and the world is here waiting. What more do we want? Yes. Yes, yes. May I call the committed artists whose names are synonymous with the style today, Padma Shri Darshana Ben Zaveri, Smita Shastri ji, Jai Shri Nayak, please come. Umar Ele ji, please come. A big round of applause for all of them. They have lit up this schedule with the credibility that gives the dance the beauty of linking worlds with converging feet. Please, you can just touch her and let her light. Lead us from darkness to light, from untruth to truth, from death to immortality. That is what we are doing with this dance form today, gathering its potency to light up the hearts of several people in this world, gathering fresh, new definitions of the art form. And a big round of applause to all of them. And we also have in our midst one who has urged me to teach several underprivileged children in the VVMC sector. I was a teacher here in the city of Mumbai, where I have known Little Ash, who reached out to be aligned with the temple art form of Bharatanatyam. And it is the mayor of VVMC who urged me to gather its beautiful tenets and impart it unto the underprivileged children of the VVMC sector. Praveena Thakur. Yes. These are the people who have made me reach out with the art form to so many people all around the world. I cannot do this alone. I have all of you with me. And especially when I thought of starting and launching the International Dance Council for the first time in Mumbai, and I just mentioned it to Ash. Hers was the first call that I got, urging me to do it, and that she would be there for the inauguration. I thank you so much. And now I request her to reach out to you. Me first?
Good evening, everyone. What do you want me to do? Is it approved by all? So good evening, everyone, and thank you very much for coming this evening, sharing your time with us, because this is an effort, a very sincere effort by my guru, Lataka. That's how I've always called her with love. I think the idea of bringing the International Dance Council to India and our city, Mumbai, was brilliant. It's the 49th one, and we haven't had it here for all these years. The moment Lataka shared that this is a dream that she sees becoming a reality, it was very close to my heart as well to support her and see December arrive and to see this become a reality. We are all creatively so inspired. It's luckily, I think we are fortunate, we are blessed that it's become a way of life for some of us. And it's opportunities like this where we get to spread that divine creative energy and to share our own experiences. And I say us because even though I may be not participating, I speak for all the participants, for all the people who, through this creative form of dance, get the opportunity to experience spirituality, to experience divinity. And while this all sounds very flowery to those uninitiated, believe you me, that's the very energy that keeps us connected to our mother, to our divinity, to our Mother Earth. And it's a spiritual energy that we celebrate every time we get an opportunity to express through dance, through music, through cinema, through all these various creative forms. And it's all one. We all believe we are universally connected, and any opportunity to celebrate, to spread this energy and to share the joy that we get to experience through our creative forms is an opportunity for us to come together and celebrate it with all of you. So welcome, and we truly hope you get an insight into this wonderful world of dance through this council that Lataka and the team, thank you all. Please come ahead. Thank you so much for coming here and supporting Lataka in seeing her dream fulfilled. God bless you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, dear. In fact, I tell you, this artist, you see, every artist, they seek an inspiration, which is like a baby waiting to be dressed. And with so much of thought and care, like a little baby, you are pruning and cajoling the baby, pampering. And once the baby stands on the wings of time, you want that baby to be pushed into the hearts of the waiting world. And that is the point where the artist becomes a kind of a mendicant, reaching out, you see. Our hands are always reaching out. And it is the sponsors who are ever so important today. For every artist here, the corporate has to cooperate with the aesthetics and the finer sentiments of artists. Whatever I do today here, this unfolding has happened on account of so many hands. May I thank our chief sponsor, Mahindra Finance. A big round of applause to them. Naredco for their cooperation, support, and also our bikes. May I request, please come, please come. A big round of applause for every one of them. You know, it is not easy to put up something, but when you do, then you have all these hands with you, and you are like a small little drop waiting and waiting, and the sea suddenly gathers you, and you become absolutely humbled. Please, sir, a big round of applause. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, each one of you. Thank you so much. Viresh, you know, the entire proceedings of this particular unfolding happens on account of you, and you. And for that, and especially each one of you. Sir, can you hold this?